Hi, welcome to this video. In this video, I will show how to create a virtual Python environment for a project. Python environment or visual environment, it's like a box that houses all the dependency of our Python project. And this is done in such a way that it will isolate all the dependency of a project from another project. So this is useful in the sense that it helps to guide against conflicts of different dependencies of different projects. And it's a rule of thumb, let me say, that every Python project we want to come up with, we create a separate visual environment for such a project. So let's see how we can do that. So the first thing we need to do is, after installing our Python and after installing the VS Code and try to add extension, create a folder and the rest, next thing is for us to just come down to the right lower part of the screen where we have Python, and here we have 3.12 blah blah. So what we need to just do is to click 3.12.2. just click this place. You will see on your screen create visual environment. What you need to do next is just to click create visual environment, and you will see from your screen here we can see visual environment, which say create a new visual environment in the current workspace. Then we click here. When you click here, you discover we have Python 3.12.2. In your case, if you have more than one Python in your system, you will see more than one list of Python. For example, if you have let's say 12.0, and you see the list, then you choose the Python version you want for your visual environment. But in our case, we have 3.12.2, which is the global Python on our system, which is the global environment for this instance. So we want a separate environment for this project. So let's go, we click this, and immediately you can see what is going on downstairs. Creating an environment, you say creating a new environment, and source is Python. We wait for a while and we see how that goes. And you can also come up here. You can see that an environment is created already. It's creating an environment for us already. We can see the .venv, the environment here, and that is done. We can click this and we can see a new Python environment has been created here. And we can see this easily by just coming down here. We can see the extension here that is still on our folder. For us to know maybe this is working, our extension should extend by the environment in which we have created. And if you come down here, you can see these have changed from just 3.12.2 to environment.visual environment. After creating our environment, what we do next is to activate the environment. And for us to activate our environment, this is just very simple. What we're going to do is to head straight to our terminal, create a new terminal, and we come down to our terminal, and we can see from the terminal, we can see the paths to our folder, my Python_VS Code. So what we're going to do next is to type in the code that we use to activate our environment, and this will be /venv/scripts. Remember that the S is capital /activate. After typing this, we click enter, and we can observe in the new line of code that it starts with .venv. That shows our environment for this project has been activated. So, in a simple way, this is how we can activate the environment for any of our projects. So, in this video, we've learned how to create and at the same time how to activate the environment, for our projects. Thank you for watching.